Hi everyone, I hope everybody is healthy and safe and doing well. Today I'm going to do a purple pink glam look. I had the Huda Beauty Amethyst palette and I thought of trying it out. So let's get started. For this video today, I have already done my eyebrows off camera, so I'll be starting off with my eyeshadow directly. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal Define Concealer on my eyes and I'm using the Pack Blender sponge to blend this out. Next, to set the concealer in place, I'm going to be using this Miss Claire Face Loose Powder. So now for the fun part, I'm using the Huda Beauty Amethyst palette today and I'm using this fluffy brush and this mauve pink shade and I'm blending it into my crease. I have to say this is a beautiful palette, the colors are very easy to blend out and they are super pigmented. Next I'm going in with this shade which is slightly darker from the last shade I used. I'm using this on a flatter brush to go into my crease, my inner corners and also my outer corners. I'm using the fluffy brush from before and I haven't dipped it in any color. I'm just using it to blend out any harsh lines that might be there. Once I'm happy with the blending, I'm taking this plum color and I'm using this on a flat brush to go into my crease, my inner corners and my outer corners. So what I'm trying to create here is a halo effect with the darker shades in the inner corner, the outer corners and the crease and a light shimmery shade on the middle part of my eyes. As you can see, I'm putting concealer in the middle part of my eyes. Basically, I'm cleaning it up to go in next with this shimmery eyeshadow. You can always skip the previous step, but this just helps the eyeshadow come through more prominently. Next, I'm taking this pink shimmery shade and layering it on top of the purple shimmery shade to create more of a gradient look. I'm going back in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and blending things up. I'm also adding that plum shade wherever I felt it faded a little. I'm using a wet wipe to clean up all the fallouts from my face. To start off my base today, I'm going to be using this Parsley Unicorn Essence. This is very rich in antioxidants and it's said to be very good for the skin. For primer today, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer, which gives a very dewy and glowy look to the skin. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade 120 Vanilla, and this has to be one of my favorite foundations from the drugstore. To conceal and highlight my face today, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow and also the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade 6.5, and I'm using this under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, the upper lips and also my chin area. All the products used in this video have been mentioned below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Now that my base is done, I'm going to go back and finish my eyes. I'm using the PAC Smudger brush and the mauve pink shade that I used on my crease and I'm smoking out my lower lash line. Next, with an angled brush from PAC and this dark plum shade, I'm going to line my lower lash line. I'm going back in with the Miss Claire Loose Powder and I'm going to set my face so that my makeup stays in place for a longer period of time. For contouring today, I'm using the LA Pro Contour Powder in the shade Medium Deep. As you can see, I haven't mentioned the names of some of the brushes in the video itself. That's because it has been bought from Amazon or it is a part of a set, but you will find the links and details in the description box down below. I placed the contour product with a flatter brush, but now as you can see, I'm using a fluffier brush to blend it in properly. For blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Powder Blush in the shade Dolce Pink and I'm placing it on the apples of my cheeks. This is the Mary Lou Manizer Highlighter from the Balm Cosmetics and it's a very beautiful champagne shade. And I'm using it on my forehead, my cheekbones, my nose, my upper lips and also a little bit on my chin. I'm also using the same highlighter to highlight under my eyebrows and also the inner corner of my eyes. For my eyelashes, I'm using the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes Mascara today, although I'll be going in with falsies just after this. For lashes, I use the Ardell Wispy's lashes, and as you can see, it looks beautiful. I'm using this Nykaa IM Black Kajal to tightline my upper lash line. Next, I'm using this Maybelline makeup remover and this cotton ear buds to clean out my lower lash line. To tightline my lower lash line, I am using the Pack Kohl pencil in the shade Skin.